ultraviolet sun all the time. Now this is the stuff of science fiction, but really we know it to be true, or at least it appears to be true in our quantum world. We get all sorts of weird things happening.
If scientists can understand how these weird things work, they'll be able to put them to use in the everyday world, revolutionizing modern computing, perhaps even allowing us to communicate across the cosmos instantly. The key to making these miracles come true is a process called quantum entanglement, and scientists are already harnessing this astounding discovery for both civilian and military purposes.
In quantum physics, what happens to an object over here
Good job.
here could be millions of miles.
This is how it works. When two subatomic particles interact, they can become entangled.
You gonna jump him? Can you tilt the truck?
These become linked to a process.
All right.
If you then make a measurement of one of the particles, then that instantaneously determines what the behavior of the other particle should be. And when
Please
it
don't
is
throw the blocks.
it's
Beckett.
indeed the other particle's
No throw.
quantum state is exactly
I love you.
because
Uh-oh.
you made a
Uh-oh.
of the
Uh-oh.
particle's quantum state.
Here comes the baby monster.
So a scientist
Oh, the baby monster! Oh, okay. Can you say bye-bye?